me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to me to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal you. I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how I felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can see now time to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. It clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Hello. Rumor has it, rumor has it, rumor has it. She is half your age, but I'm guessing that's the reason that you strayed. I heard you've been missing me. You've been telling people things you shouldn't be. Like when we creep out, she ain't around. Haven't you heard the rumors? You spent your soul, you got your head in the clouds. You made a fool out of me, and boy, you're bringing me down. You made my heart melt, yet I'm cold in my car. But rumor has it I'm the one you're leaving there for.